Always started by hand. Morning, sir. Beautiful. That's cool. So the new new coil packs Duralast, part number there, came in a case of four from AutoZone for about 280, 280, 290 for all four. They actually came with a new screw for it, which is awesome because sometimes you lose that. Yeah, that little piece of plastic was sitting right on top of there. I don't know if y'all can see it there. That little plastic was sitting on top. So make sure you always take an eye, look at everything before you go installing. New coil pack. Plug that one back in. All done. I'm gonna fly through the rest of these. Working on a 2019 Chevy Equinox 2.0 liter racing spark plugs and coil packs. Down, one more to go. Oh, no problem. That was Mr. Michael. Just met the local mail guy over here in this area. Said he's been a mail guy over here for about a year. Now, spark plug number 4. So I'd like to start going live on all platforms at the same time: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all at the same time. I'm not sure if there's a way to do that. So if anybody in the comments or in the chat might know a way that I can go ahead and set it up to where when I go live on one platform, I'm live on all platforms. Somebody was telling me to use Twitch. I'm not too familiar with Twitch. Um, Definitely will be looking into that, but I'm trying to find out how I can do it to where I'm live on all the platforms that I'm on.